Welcome to my channel, where life is made simple. Ever wondered if your ceiling fan could make your home more comfortable and energy efficient? The secret lies in the direction of the blades. Once you have used a ceiling fan, you will never want to be without one. Some have remotes, some have wall switches. In summer, set your ceiling fan to turn counterclockwise. This pushes air downward, creating a cooling breeze that makes you feel cooler without changing the room temperature. Imagine feeling a light breeze on a hot, humid day. That's the effect of a counterclockwise fan, allowing you to set your thermostat higher and still stay comfortable. In winter, switch the fan to turn clockwise. This pulls air upward, redistributing the warm air that collects near the ceiling throughout the room. This clockwise motion ensures heat is evenly distributed, making your heating system more efficient and your home cozier. Some homeowners find the air circulation uncomfortable in winter. To avoid this, set your fan to the lowest speed while still achieving the desired effect. Remember, the direction of the fan's circulation is determined by looking up at the fan from below. The switch to change direction is typically on the fan's base. Add a reminder to your computer calendar to change your fan's direction again. As in most cases, it will take a ladder. Set a reminder on your calendar to change the fan direction at the start of each season. This small habit can make a big difference. Be cool in the summer and stay warm in the winter with just a flip of a switch. Your ceiling fan is more powerful than you think. See you in the next video.